Hey everyone, today I will show you TikTok no internet connection tap to retry problem fix. And here's how it is done. Check network connection. Go back to your settings and tap on network and internet. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly. Update TikTok. Open the Play Store, search for TikTok and check for any updates. If you see the update button, tap it and wait for the update to complete. Check network management settings. After updating, go back to settings, app settings, manage apps, and search for TikTok app and click to open a menu connection method. Tap on it to make sure TikTok's network permissions are enabled to Wi-Fi or mobile data. After these steps, open TikTok again to see if the issue is resolved. That is everything you need to know about TikTok no internet connection. Tap to retry problem fix. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.